Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First, we need to download the Polar Flow application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Polar Flow and tap on search. Scroll down through the list, find this application, Polar Flow, tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. After the application is done downloading, you can tap on the Open button to open it. And once you open it, you might see a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. For example, Bluetooth permission is required, so tap on OK, but the notification permission is not required. But if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. But if you don't care, you can deny it. OK, and once you're done with the permissions, tap on Get Started. And here we need to log in into Polar account. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account button, make an account and log in. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. Then tap on Sign In to log in. Okay, after you log in, you may see this page. Basically, app wants us to connect a new device. If you have already a device connected to your account, you will see the homepage of the app. You can tap on the More Options icon and then tap on Devices, and here you will have the option to start with a new device. But I don't have any devices connected to my account, so basically we have this page. And once you see this page, we need to enter the pairing mode on our watch. So press the back/menu button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, tap on it, tap on the general settings, tap on Pair and Sync, tap on Pair and Sync Phone, and the watch will enter pairing mode. It will get detected by the app. Tap on Start, tap on Pair, confirm the pairing by pressing the OK button. Once you see the pop-up about the location permission, you can allow it or deny it. Here we can set up some settings for our watch, like time format and on which wrist we prefer to wear the watch. You can also tap on language to select the language for the watch if you want to, and the recommended sleep time. And once you're done, tap on Save and Sync. And once it's done, you can tap on View Introduction if you want to see the tutorial how to use the watch, or you can tap on Close to skip it. And then you can tap on the Devices option to see the device page for your Polar Vantage V2. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.